Yes, we got more freaking snow. Well, kids and I have been out and done chores. I'm kind of standing here in the garage doorway so you can hear me over the wind because we're still in the blizzard warning. There's my wife's car. I had just moved mine because the snowplow went by. I knew I could get turned around in the road. If you look over there, there's my car trailer and a couple pickups, and that one or the second one over is a Jeep Cherokee with a 3.5-inch lift. Yep, that snow's pretty well hood high. On the other side of that white pickup that I'm gonna tear apart for the yellow Jeep, yep, the snow's pretty well to the window on the door. Which pan this way. Well, right here we got dumpster deep snow. We couldn't get out the front door because it's a foot up on the deck. And I'll walk around and show you the kennel. These are the regular like 5-foot kennel pieces. Well, and of course I should precede this with, can't talk today, it's cold out. We had rain all day yesterday, and then it went to sleet, a little bit of hail, and now we got blizzard. There's the kennel that we just dug out so we could get in, so we could feed our poor puppy dog. The good thing is it's not super cold out. We just have a lot of snow blowing around, you know, and that's a bee box there, so that's waist high. Yep, we've got a lot of snow out now. We definitely got some drifts to ride the snowmobile in. I went up to the neighbors and turned around with the Tahoe, and they've got some probably 5-foot drifts out there. Woohoo! There's the wind. Let's hide up here behind the side of the Tahoe so maybe you can see them big drifts. Up there coming off the dirt road, there's a bunch of big drifts. The ditch is clear full. And of course, there's this poor little snowmobile that may have to get a workout later. But yeah, we've got a lot of snow out. I feel bad for all the snowplow drivers and county drivers and emergency responders because this weather sucks. I like snow, but I'm ready for spring now. I don't think I've ever said that ever in my life because I just like snow so much, but this weather has just been weird. Makes me nervous for what the spring has to give us, but oh well, I guess we'll see what happens together. You guys all have a good day. Try to stay warm. Don't get stuck. Backyard. Here's my Jeep. I did that video on it. This snowdrift in front of me's got to be 4 foot tall. That one's probably 5. And the one on the other side of that bush by that tree is probably 6. And if Jack doesn't slow down, and I got Jack out riding the snowmobile. This is his second time riding it. I think he's doing pretty good. And I'm out here, had it going, made sure everything was going good. Another good day. Hello everybody again. I just thought I'd tell everybody goodbye. Stay safe. I just got in from scouting with the snowmobile. I think it's in there behind me. I can't see it. Oh, there it is. Wrong side. I got in scouting on the snowmobile for snow drifts. Between Jack and I, we put about 60 miles on the sled today. Whole lot of fun. I've got a couple spots thought out to maybe do a snow shelter. I've been wanting to get camping. I've got a couple picked out. We just got to see if we can get them dug out and have time before the weather does something stupid again. But I got to go in and warm my face up. It's getting pretty cold, even with my big helmet. Let me get it pulled down. I've got the full face helmet with the nose guard. It's an actual snowmobile helmet. Makes it pretty nice. I'm not bad. Actually, my upper body's probably a hair warm, but my cheeks are just chilly. I gotta get in, get warmed up a little bit, and maybe start digging a shelter. But that's a completely different video. So, you guys stay good. Comment, rate, and subscribe. You guys have a good day too. See ya.